Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm Tanya and this is Creations with Tanya. Today I'm playing with a bunch of metallics and a couple of tube paints. So I'm just showing you what I'm going to be using, and I have this one here, Pearl Red by Amsterdam. And I have DecoArt Metallic Peacock Pearl. I have Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet, as well as the DecoArt Ice Blue, and also the Shimmering Silver. And I have these DecoArt, also metallics, but thicker, copper. And I'm using Agapanthus from this little piggy. And for my cell activator, I am using Amsterdam. And this is Phthalo Turquoise Blue with Floetrol. And this is the Australian Floetrol. Alright, I am going to get my canvas, which I will be using an 8x8 inch canvas, and I'm going to pour my base, which is the Glidden Essentials interior paint. And once I've done that, I'll come back and we'll start pouring some paint. I really don't like it. Gonna have to, and I'm just pouring on top. Alright, I've scraped the sides and I'm just going to take you in for a close-up of this one. And let me know what you think in the comments below. There we go. Pearl Violet from Amsterdam. I can see it in there, but because it was white, you probably couldn't see it. Once it dries, it's gonna look cool. I'll zoom out here for you. Focus. I really like this one. I do. Alright, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.